There's a bit of mixed messaging going on here. Yes, the federal government is expected to decide on boosters for all, maybe even as soon as tomorrow. But several states, including New York, not waiting for the feds. They've already made the move.
The city's top doctor earlier this week with a bold proclamation.
Providers should not turn a patient away if they request a booster. I'm issuing a commissioner's advisory to all healthcare providers, emphasizing our guidance and ensuring that there are no access barriers.
But there have been barriers. While the mayor and the city's health commissioner have said any New Yorker over the age of 18 can get a booster shot if they want one, at the moment you cannot get one at national pharmacy chains like CVS. They must follow the federal recommendations on boosters. And for now, eligibility is limited to certain categories, like people over 65 or those who are immunocompromised. But that could soon change. CDC Director Rochelle Walensky on the benefits of a booster shot.
When we compare rates of COVID-19 disease between those who are vaccinated with 2 doses and those who have received a booster dose, the rate of disease is markedly lower for those who received their booster shot.
Federal officials are expected to meet Friday to discuss expanding booster eligibility to all Americans. Why the big push? COVID infection rates are up across the country, the highest number in months. There's been an uptick in cases and hospitalizations in New Jersey. 4 million Garden State residents are eligible for the booster, but so far only a quarter of those eligible have received them. In Newark on Thursday, a pop-up clinic encouraging people to get that extra shot ahead of the holidays.
We have some family members that's very hesitant, and I'm sure that they're watching us in our response. We've been fine.
Right now, New Jersey is not one of the states okaying boosters for all adults. While much focus has been on boosters, Dr. Anthony Fauci with a sobering statement on those without any shots.
Unvaccinated people were 13 times more likely to become infected than fully vaccinated, and unvaccinated people were 20 times more likely to die.
And Governor Kathy Hochul said tonight 80% of New York State residents are now fully vaccinated. The CDC's panel of vaccine experts is scheduled to meet tomorrow. If the FDA and then the CDC gives a green light tomorrow, those booster shots could be going into the arms of everyone 18 and older by this weekend. In the newsroom, I'm Shirley Chan, Pix 11 News.